Once I went in, I came out.
Tell me a bit about your setup.
This is not a setup. I got this on a bargain.
Tell us about your bargain.
This is there's a motherboard in here, CPU. It comes with RAM and the case. But if you look here, this guy was a bit aggro. He's chopped off all the front panel connectors.
Can this be used again?
Perhaps I have to solder on new front panel connector.
Ooh, thermal paste.
That's I think Core 2 Duo. Not very good. We've got 8 gigabytes of DDR2 RAM. I think this is an overclocking motherboard as well. Alright, and it comes in this case. Case is a good case. Look, check out the case.
Oh, it's actually not bad. It's not as hot.
It needs a very good clean. There's so much dust and filth in there. Look, zoom in. Show them all the dust.
Oh, gross. Yuck.
Alright,
I think that's a dead moth.
This is part of the deal as well. This is a 550 watt power supply. Careful, you'll kill yourself if you touch the insides. I've got to clean this up.
Oh, check out that dust.
This one.
Oh, yuck.
Yeah, I think
Don't smell it.
I think the guy's a smoker or something.
Ooh, that looks nice. It's a graphics card.
Yes. This is Radeon 6950.
Radeon 6950.
Okay, it's not bad. I can play some very simple games. I think I should just wipe this with some alcohol.
Alcohol's fine, it won't dissolve it, will it? The methylated spirits.
No, just the metal.
Okay guys, so we're about to start part 2, which is cleaning up the fan. We've got some aloe vera gloves. So guys, go to Coles and aloe vera gloves is the way to go.
What size are these? It's too small.
These are extra small, which is the size of my hands.
Extra small.
Extra small.
Show them how dirty it is.
Okay guys, as you can see, this is the fan. And it is horribly dirty. Can you see all the grime in there? Let me just point out to you where the grime is. That's all the grime. That's all the grime. That's all the grime. That's all the grime. Looks pretty bad. No, did you get one of my dishcloths?
It's like filthy.
Are you sure? Hey, that looks really good. Oh, now onto the yucky bit. Okay, gotta put my gas mask back on.
Now, can you remember the orientation?
Wait. What does the orientation mean?
Label with, because I need to screw this plastic bit on the right side.
Okay.
Remember?
I'm just recording it. So look, I couldn't help myself. I really had to know if this is working tonight. So we've got the power supply here. I've connected it to the motherboard it's come with. Some thermal paste. Bit tricky doing this one-handed. Lenti. Alright, this is nerve-wracking.
Ooh, it's gonna blow up my house. Okay. That's a bad sign. Oh, bad sign. Alright guys, so you remember from yesterday we cleaned the power supply. I got some bad news. I think I've been ripped off. This motherboard's not working.
This motherboard?
Nah. Which is fine. I wanted it for the power supply mainly, not for this motherboard. But what's happening is it's power cycling. It'll turn on and off almost immediately afterwards and cycle like that indefinitely. I've tested the power supply on another motherboard. It's working fine. So what my impression is, it might have something to do with the dirt. Maybe there's a short circuit somewhere. Or alternatively, this motherboard is just dead. But whatever the case, we've got to clean it first. So I'm going to take out the RAM.
Hey, you're not going to clean it inside the house though, right?
No.
Good boy.
What's the nice RAM?
Let's see the RAM.
DDR2.
DDR2. I have no idea what the relevance of that is.
It's really nice.
Why? Because it's
Just
slim?
just the design.
Or this
really
design?
nice.
Okay, that's interesting.
Alright, now we've got to clean this.
Mmm. Oh, did you guys see that?
There's Amanda's box.
Guess what we had for dinner last night, guys?
That's that systematic. Hey, you're not wearing your face mask and stuff.
Oh, do I have to this thing?
Probably not.
I'm just gonna hold my breath, guys. So if I pass out,
You don't. It's fine.
let me go quickly get it. Just slow down, slow down, slow down. It's so stinky, that's the gas mask. The things I do for you. Huh?
Well, you're not developing your own passions, so you can join my passions.
Oh, but your passions are boring. Nah, it's kidding. It's okay.
Well, I don't disagree. You'll have plenty of time.
Have I?
Yeah.
So can you help me decide? You sure that's safe? It's for water inside. Well, something to work with.
Very delicate.
Lift it up. Ooh.
Do any of those look bent?
Doesn't look bent to me. Let's zoom in, guys.
Careful.
Let's have a look at this. Do they look bent or do they not look bent? Look pretty alright. What do you reckon, guys?
Look at that. So clean. So beautiful. And most importantly, so working.